Oh, not exactly what I wanted to be doing today, but you guys are about to see what we got going on over here. Alright, go ahead and get our key in here. Wait for our glow plug to warm us up. Let her rip, baby! Let her rip! Alright, we need to get some of these straps right here because we have an ATV down, brother. ATV down. Get some of these D-rings. Alright, we got it all set up. Go ahead and back her out now. Here we go. Alright, as you guys can see, something happened there, so let's go ahead and get it out. Whoa. I hope so. I hope so. We're going to take our socket out here real quick. Nice and wet. That's what she said. Now, let me get you guys set up. There you go. Now you're set up. There it is. Oh, good. It wasn't smoked on there. I hate when you get a spark plug that's like somebody like a gorilla put it on. It's like, what?
On there and then
oh, you lost the shift knob. So we got a phone in there and a shift knob. Oh, that's gonna be a good shot.
oh my god.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. She's all right.
Oh my god.
Lots of water coming out of there.
It's flowing.
Oh shit.
I would just pull it out with the right now.
Yeah, because it'll move the...
Yeah, as long as it's in here. That water will shoot right out.
It's making great footage. Oh! Yeah. Oh yeah. Just a little bit of water left in there. Oh yeah.
Take that air filter out.
You're gonna need an oil change. All right, let's take off this air filter. See what we got here. Oops. Yeah, we'll strip all these out while we're doing it. That's always good. Oh, you're gonna be a little bugger. Any more? Nope. Where'd that other screw
I feel
go?
like four-wheelers are meant to get a little bit wet.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying we're probably fine. It's literally, we just have to do all this to make sure that it dries out right. Oh, it wasn't too bad. Just a little drippy drip. Oh gosh, yeah, that's...
Oh my god. The air filter's red.
Oh, it's already ripped anyway. It's a garbage air filter.
We're gonna blame the air filter.
Woo! Okay, I'm gonna put that back on. I just pulled the oil thing.
Oh, is it nice and milky?
It's not yet, because it hasn't been mixed,
Oh, okay, yeah.
but oil flowed out of it, which means there's a lot.
Oh yeah, she's got a lot of water in there.
Yeah.
She's gonna drain. She's gonna be an interesting draining video.
Yeah, oil just overflowed out.
Oh well. All right, let's see what this oil looks like. All right, she's loose. This ought to be interesting. Let's see what, oh gosh. Okay. That's not good. Oh man. Before I let this go, I'm gonna get another pan. Yeah, got another pan to switch out, because something tells me we're gonna be, oh my gosh. Oh, what is that? What is that? Oh Lord. Oh boy. Okay. That was dumb. Put that in there. And I'm gonna get some paper towels because I didn't do that. What an idiot. Well, it wasn't a milkshake because we never started it, so that's always good. All right, we're gonna let that continue to drain, and I'm gonna take a look and see what this thing was that fell out of here. What is this? It's a little strainer. Maybe so you can like inspect the oil or something. I don't know. I don't know what that is. What is that? And where does this go even? Does that go like right on there? That seems right? Because no way it goes like that. It probably goes like that. I have never seen an oil plug like that. I'm gonna look online and make sure I'm not doing anything wrong. And I actually do not have any oil for this, but I wanted to make it so the water wasn't sitting in the bottom. So what I'll do is I'll use what random oil I have laying around just to put it in the engine, so that way it's not sitting here waiting for that. And then we'll put the new oil in and start her up, or try to at least. Hey, you gonna be okay?
3060 Ti Electron.
Oh, who is this loser talking? We can definitely mute that while we're working. How do I do that? There we go. Perfect. That's more like it. All right, so I'm back from the store. I got some cheap oil to throw in there, and it actually, I looked online, and it shows that that's another drain plug right there too on the side there. So what I pulled out, this little metal dealio. This is actually a oil filter and plug, so I went ahead and blew that out with the compressor. And yeah, we'll go ahead and stick all this back in. I'm gonna open up that other plug, see if anything comes out of there. If nothing comes out of there, I'll put all our plugs back in, and we'll get some oil back in here, and we'll see how bad she smokes. That baby's on there. Wow. It's gonna hurt my hand, I know it. Oh my gosh, I can't even get that off of there. You know what? I think we're gonna be all right. Let me try with just the socket, see if I can get the right leverage on there. That is on there. Dang. All right. Give it a little tappy tap. Ooh. I think we got it. Oh, and of course. Oh, what an idiot. Okay. Oh, boy. Need some paper towels. Clean up on aisle 3. This son of a bitch don't know what he's doing. Oh, dang it. Well, that will be one well lubricated hammer there. Got it out, so let's go ahead and see if we get anything out of here. There ain't nothing coming out of there because it came all out of the bottom drain plug. That's interesting. I wonder why they put 2 drain plugs on there. And I'm definitely not going to smoke it on like Boyo had it on there, because good Lord, that was too tight. There we go. You almost feel it when it does that little click click. All right, so let's go ahead and put our other plug back in and get some oil in here. Do what we always do, clean around the hole, or wipe dirty rags on the hole. You filthy bastards, don't be thinking nothing gross now. All right, so spring goes in there, this dealio sits in there, and if we can find it, that will go back up in here. Oh, I can feel that spring compressed. Come on, you son of a bitch. Get back in there. You can tell it's later in the day, and I'm just done for the day. I can't tell if that's gone in there or if it's gonna shoot out like a damn pistol. All right, it's on there. Oh Lordy, I am bent in the most awkward position right now trying to get around this damn camera. All right, she's on there. Good Lord, I'm out of breath, gentlemen. I am out of breath. I'll go ahead and show you that oil once we get it out from underneath there. Go ahead and clean up some of that. Let's get that bad boy tightened back up now. What do you think about them apples? See, this one was not smoked down. All right, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Oh, don't you love when it's like not tight enough to ratchet, but then tight enough to be annoying. All right, that's on there. All right, we're gonna stick some this ATV UTV 4-stroke 10W40 in there. I know it's not the XPS stuff that goes in a Can-Am, but that I had to order because nowhere around here that was open today had it. So Lucas will do for now. It was actually just as much as the O'Reilly's cheap oil, and you know that's right, brother. Made in the United States of America. Hell yeah. All right, let's go ahead and give this poor girl some oil. I know she wants it right now. Come on now. Whoa, easy there, Tiger. Whoa, whoa, whoa. There we go. Glug, glug, glug. Give you some fresh oil. And we had to order the air filter too. So when we run it here, we're just gonna run her straight pipe, baby, no filter. I'm gonna let it try to get all that gunk out of there. I'm gonna blow out the filter, like where the filter goes at least, so it doesn't overwhelm it. Pretty sure we're gonna go almost this whole damn thing in there. Because that thing was filled to the brim. She was filled to the brim, brother. Glug glug. Come on now. Chewy. See where we're at on our little dippy dip stick. This is all nice and clean now. Let's see what we got. Twist you in, like so. Twist you out, like so. Oh, we got oil on there. I wonder if it's just supposed to be up to that line right there. Yeah, we'll see. Well, I guess I could let you guys see a little bit better too. Get a little light on the situation. Maybe that's too much light. Is that too much light, or can you see it now? Too much. Too much. Oh, you son of a... Doubt it would hurt to give it any more. Just give it a little splash extra. There you go. There you go. You deserve it. You deserve it. All right. That's all you get. That's all you get. Go ahead and put our dipstick back in there. Made one hell of a mess. But that's what we do. We make messes. All right, that's back on there. So I'm wondering if I should try to give it a couple of more kicks. See if we got anything coming out of there. Oh, I got some oil on there. Let's give it a couple of kicks and make sure we don't have water coming out. Let's see. Any water coming out of there? I didn't see any. I didn't see any. And what was kind of cool, guys, is it actually had a brand new spark plug in there for us, even though the old one didn't look bad at all. Look at that. Look. In the back there, had a brand new spark plug. I'm actually going to make sure that that's the right one real quick. The one that came out of it. As long as it is, we're going to let her rip, Tater Chip. See what we got. What numbers? Yep. Yep. CR7HSA. CR7HSA. All right, let's get this little booger in there. Oh shit, what did I do with the spark? Oh, there it is. Remember, boys, don't have to smoke these on. Just torque to Yankee spec. When it feels like it's tight, go a little bit more, and then she's good. go ahead and get our air hose and blow some of this stuff out. Let's put our cap back on here. Spark plug. Actually, I can blow the other side of this. Force whatever junk's in there out the other side. Right? Should. Yeah, we're gonna get a paper towel in there. Oh, we need some more paper towels. I feel like maybe I should drain the carburetor too. What do you guys think? Think that would be a good idea? Oh, you couldn't even see what I was blowing. Damn it. Come on, you guys got to tell me these things. Oh. Oh, damn it. I lost the rag in there. Oh, no. There it goes. There we go. And let's go clean out this side. You guys gonna see in there. A little wet and oily, but this is where the air filter was, and the air filter was pretty nasty. So, like I said, I ordered a new one of those, but we're gonna run her straight this way because we got it pretty well dried out and cleaned out. We hit it with an air hose, so we should be good there. She's probably gonna smoke like the dickens when we start her up, but that's all right. Let's see. Looks like we got some sediment down in there. I think we got it all. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I know these are the wrong rags. I got more rags coming, actual shop rags, but you know what I mean? Gotta do what you gotta do, brother. Oh, I wonder, what is that? What is that even? Oh, that's just like a straight tube up and out. That's not good. All right, we'll go ahead and put our pipe back on the other side now that we got that nice and dried out, and give her a crank. All right. I just put that pipe back on, sorry. I forgot to film it. I could take it back off and pretend like I didn't, but I don't want to do that. I love you guys, but I don't love you like that. Now, if I could just get this to fit in there, it seems like it's actually like rusty. Oh. Oh boy. You guys ever have those moments? Trying to use a damn flathead for a Phillips. There, now it spins a little bit easier. Let's see, that should be pretty snug on there. It is. I don't know what that is, but looks like we had a cracked whatever boot on there. All right, I should probably kick it because this electric motor, I mean, we didn't let it sit too long, so it might be okay because I've power washed it before. So let's actually lift up the garage and see what we got. Fingers crossed, guys. Spark plug, oil. The lights up front work, so that's good. Oh yeah, that's right. Uh-oh. I think we lost our electric start here. Or it might just be the sensor in there. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Alright, well, let's see if we can kickstart it. I wonder if this switch ate shit when it went over.
Oh, Lordy.
Come on, baby. Yeah, no way. Oh. Huh. Our starter's trying to start. A little tappy tap. Hey! All right. Let me put you guys back where you can see. All right, let's try this. Oh, I wonder if we're even getting any spark. Dang it. All right, pull the plug. See, our lights work. We'll just see if we're getting any spark or if we're not getting nothing. Oh yeah, we're getting spark. Getting sparks, so that means our carburetor is probably filled with water. Is there an easy way to drain this? No, of course not. Oh, of course not. All right, turn all that back off. Okay, so we have spark. I think what she needs is a little go-go juice to help her go. I think she needs a little help. A little go-go juice. I don't think I have any though. Fudgicles! I knew I should have got it at the O'Reilly. Oh, O'Reilly! Auto parts! Hey, Bob, we got the auto parts for you. You know what I mean, brother? All right, come on, baby. Give me luck. All right, let me not overdo you. Oh! Heyo! Heyo! Look what we got. All right, let's go ahead and spray this in there, see what we got. This right here's almost better than Get Her Done 91. All right, come on, baby. Whoa, you guys hear that? All right, now she's gonna go. Ooh. That didn't sound good, guys. But it also... Uh-oh. Seized up on us again, boys. Ooh, I think we need to keep it going on that stuff. Ah, again? No! Now it just stopped working for us. Dang. Well, at least it doesn't look too hard to fit. So that was a lot of picture. Ah, now she doesn't go at all, baby. Well, we need a new starter. Damn. Something doesn't sound good in there. Whoa, baby. You know that's right. Just needed that direct inject. Just give a little bit more, baby. Oh, she wants to run a little bit better now. We just need to so that good go juice is in there. I wonder if I should drain the fuel. Dang, guys, should I drain the fuel? Damn. Am I just trying to run it on water right now? Am I just wasting my damn time? Should I be draining this gasoline out of here? Ah, what should I be doing? Here we go. Ooh, that didn't sound good. Hey, started without me putting any go juice in there. Are you almost gonna go on your own? Oh. Oh my gosh. There's so much damn ether in this box. It's probably so bad to do this. Oh yeah, she's got a little drippage out the back. Starter don't work. Damn it. I feel like I'm wasting my time because it goes off of go juice. So something tells me all that fuel's bad. Shit. Let's see what we gotta do. Oh, ooh, that smells something burnt, baby. I don't know if that's water getting forced back out or what we got going on there. It's not good. I think I need to drain the gas out. Well, I can tell you what we didn't do. We didn't get the Can-Am started tonight, but that's okay. We're gonna get it started tomorrow. We're gonna call up some parts stores, get us a starter, because obviously that one's had it. It's probably filled with water, so I'm gonna yank that thing off of there. Drop the carburetor bowl. We'll go ahead and drain the fuel tank, and once we do that, we should be good, because it did run on ether, because it smells like ether in here right now. Yep. Definitely smells like ether. Well, stay tuned for part 2. We'll go ahead and get this thing started. Don't you worry. Bye now.